What is your age?
I will be stepping back and focusing heavily on mentoring many Asian next generation leaders. So I'll be doing a lot of wealth preservation in Singapore. That's why I'm doing a handful of master classes now, because I could not reach 1.3 million SMEs. So I have a master class in Vivere, Alabang on March 28th.
In the Philippines, about 1.3 million SMEs.
Family-owned businesses.
In the Philippines.
Yes, that occupies clearly around 70% of all the employment.
Wow, these are SMEs, a family in the Philippines.
Yes, so we're barely getting 0.00 something. I feel compelled to articulate the importance of getting everyone to understand what it is to be a family business and what it is to create a legacy in the mold of a 190-year-old Ayala corporation. That's the masterclass, including wealth preservation and obviously legacy building for succeeding generations. So March 28th in the morning, I think,
Yes.
at Vivere, Alabang.